Today's a step-by-step tutorial on how to install Metamask on your browser. First things first, go to Google, type in Metamask. You're going to get metamask.io. Make sure that's the address. Click on it. This is a crypto EVM wallet for all your crypto. You can download it here if you have Chrome, which is what I'm on. It's the first option, but there's also Firefox, Brave, Edge, and Opera. This tutorial will work for all of that, but this is for Chrome. You're going to click Install Metamask. You're going to click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. And now this pop-up's going to happen. You need to agree to their terms. You're going to create a new wallet. Help us improve Metamask. I always say no thanks to this. Now, this password that they want here is just a password for the computer only. So if you open up your Metamask on a different computer, this password will not work to get into the other computer. But as what will work is your secret wallet, secure my wallet, your secret recovery phrase. So your secret recovery phrase is underneath here. So this is essentially 12 words that are your bank. These are your passwords. So this will get you into any computer, any Metamask on any computer. So what you need to do is you need to copy this to your clipboard or handwrite it. You need to do this for the next step. So I'm going to paste it over here. Make sure you do this. Don't ever give this password to anybody. Nobody will ever ask for it. No customer service, no help desk, nobody online. If they ask for this, don't give it to them. This is your #1 priority, to never ever let anyone have this. I'm obviously showing you guys just for this tutorial, but I'm not going to be using this wallet. So then you need to put in the 3rd, the 4th, and the 8th word. So the 3rd word here is innocent. 4th word is slight. And you'll have to do this too. They will give you the same sort of deal. The 8th word is first. And you confirm. And boom. Your wallet is set up and ready to be used. Now you just go to the top and you pin it if you want. And there you go. Now you have your EVM Metamask wallet. You can send ETH here. You can send anything on the Ethereum network to this wallet. And you're ready to go. You're ready to trade crypto that's not on an exchange. Let me know if you have any questions, if you want any tutorials, and follow me for more.